All right, Tuesday morning, sun's coming up. Time to get rolling. Here's what you need to know for the trading day ahead. Weakness in the markets right now, so we're trading lower across the board. Dow Jones off about 200. S&P is off about 20 or so. So we're giving up about half of those big gains that we saw yesterday. So yesterday, Dow Jones was up over 400. S&P's up almost 50, and the Nasdaq another all-time high. We're continuing to power higher and trade higher in spite of this uptick that we're seeing, particularly here in the U.S. with coronavirus. Seeing some of these cities like Miami start to roll back some of the measures that they had put in place to reopen, and in fact putting more restrictions back on. But that being said, it doesn't seem like we can keep this market down right now. Going to be a pretty quiet day on the economic calendar front. Not much to write home about. Again, I think a lot of the focus right now is COVID related. Any news that we get out on that front. We did get some big news overnight, which was with regards to DC providing some funding to another vaccine maker to get that vaccine out as soon as we can. So some good news on that front. European Commission came out overnight. They were talking about the impact COVID's had on Europe. They see it being worse than they originally anticipated back in May. So something of interest there, and any impact that may have, particularly on the currencies today. So keep an eye on that front. Outside of that, we're just rocking and rolling. So we'll see what shakes out. Again, markets are trading lower right now. We got about 2 hours to go though until we get started and open up these markets for the day. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter today. We'll keep you posted if anything shakes out. Hope everybody's staying safe and staying healthy out there. Let's get back after it. It's going to be another fun day. I'll check in again tomorrow. Take care, folks.